Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I will be filming a day in my life. Today guys is July 25 at meron kasi dong notification sa YouTube studio ko na today, madaming mag-film ng mga YouTubers at parang pipili kasi sila ng snippet siguro ng mga YouTubers, diba, na mag-vlog. So, okay lang din naman kung hindi ako ma-features. So yeah. Eto, I have here my planner. Ito, isusulat ko lang yung lahat ng gagawin ko for today at kailangan ma-accomplish ko siya. So, medyo madami-dami yung gagawin ko ngayon. First is, ngayon kasi it's around 10 AM na. So, of course, medyo na late na, pero I'll be watering my plants. Yun, also, cooking food. I'll be cooking food. Ano pa ba? Food. I'll be also doing the lesson exemplar. So, work from home kasi hindi pa nga ako nakakapag-breakfast, guys. So, yeah, I'll be eating grahams. Nagawa ng ate ko. Tapos, you know what? Yesterday, nag-drop ng new album si Taylor Swift, which is The Folklore. And guys, 3 songs agad yung nagustuhan ko. Una is Betty, August, and Exile. So, 3 of those songs, aaralin ko siya sa piano. So, I'll be doing a song cover. So, yun pa pala yung gagawin ko. Magpiprint out ako ng lyrics ng 3 songs na yon at aaralin ko siya. So, lalagay natin dito. So, print out. Dito sa planner ko, merong mga like time, pero hindi naman nasusunod. So, depende na lang kung ano yung maunang ma-accomplish ko. So, print out lyrics of Betty, Exile, and wait. And last is yung August. Ang ganda ng mga songs na to, guys. And guys, magpiprint out ako ng lyrics, tapos aaralin ko yung piano chords. Piano chords ng songs na yon. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng mga kanta ng, ang gaganda ng mga bagong kanta ni Taylor Swift. So mamaya, magpa-practice ako ng piano. Also, I'm making this grid, ano bang tawag dyan? Parang Polaroid of pictures. So, mamaya, ano ko siya, magpiprint out ako ng mga pictures, ganyan. I also pala be contacting my friend for that picture. Gusto ko nang kunin yung frame picture. Ano niya, wait! So, ayun. Ano pa ba? So, yung pinakauna kong gagawin ngayon, guys, is to water the plants. Yun na ba yung gagawin ko? Also, syempre, mag-edit ako ng videos. Hunter! Ito yung to-do list ko for today. Yeah, let's do this. Before anything else, guys, bago natin ma-accomplish atong planner, let me talk about what I'm wearing today. It's just a plain t-shirt, diba? Pero, looks familiar. Actually, kasi this t-shirt is from Ateneo. Yeah, so this is the shirt that I just won from our game. And guys, it's so unexpected. It's limited edition. Intentionally, I am wearing this t-shirt to talk about it. Kasi it has a story behind it kung paano ko nakuha. Actually, guys, for this t-shirt kasi, napanalunan ko to sa one of the games during the Christmas party sa Ateneo. In the first place, paano ba ako napadpad dun? Paano ba ako nakapasok dun? So, I'm a member kasi ng British Council. So, parang affiliated siya sa Ateneo. So, every time na merong mga seminars or merong mga workshop, nagpapadala talaga sila ng email. So, may one time doon na naka-receive ako ng email na last December kasi to, December 2019. So, sinabi nila magkakaroon ng just half-day training. Tapos, in the afternoon, merong Christmas party. So, nagpadala sila ng email. Agad-agad nag-register ako. Tapos, 600 yung binayaran for that seminar. So, half-day lang siya, guys. Pero in the afternoon, merong Christmas party. Tapos, nandun na rin yung lunch. Ko talaga pinalampas yung seminar na yun. Kasi, who knows kung baka meron ako ma-meet doon ng mga UAAP superstars, diba? Or mga athletes, ganyan. Pero wala. Sad to say, wala talaga ako nakita doon. Kasi, I think, wala na silang pasok noon. Kasi Christmas break na. And then, so from our house going there, it took me about 1 hour papunta doon. Nung time na yun, guys, nag-ready na agad ako ng gift ko for the white elephant kasi I know na merong exchange gift kasi. So, nung nandun na ako, bumaba ako sa may Miriam College. Tapos, I asked the guard kasi hindi ko alam baka papasok pa, baka kailangan pa mag-taxi, ganyan. And nag-commute lang ako papunta doon kasi nag-jeep lang ako. And then, when I asked the guard, yung sabi niya, tinuro niya lang yung pinakamalaking building doon. And, so yung sabi, pakaganda pala talaga ng school nila. So, ayun, naglakad ako. Walking distance lang, mabilis lang din. And then, nandun na agad ako sa school an hour before the call time. So, I think 8 AM kasi yung ano nun. So, napaaga lang talaga ako. Sobra akong excited. And yung building pala na yun, na napakalaking building, nandun pala merong museum English. That is why, konyo nga yung tawag sa kanila. And maganda talaga pakinggan when they are speaking. So, may one time kasi dun, na tanong ako sa isang student, so one of their students, ay yun. And then, sabi niya, oh, it's downstairs po. Alam mo, napakaganda talagang pakinggan. It's so cute. Tapos, at maliban sa kanya, guys, nung nandun ako sa museum, so later on that day na, nung nandun ako sa museum, merong group of students, as in, ang gaganda talaga nilang magsalita. They are speaking in Konyo language, yung English and Tagalog, and you can really feel that they are rich. So, yan. Long story short, nakita ko na yung room kung saan yung seminar. Tapos, yun, nakita ko din yung mga former co-teachers ko from JRU. And ayun, medyo sobrang na-excite nga kami kasi hindi ko in-expect na nandun sila and they're also not expecting na mag-a-attend ako. So, ayun, nakita ko sila Ma'am Rove, sila Ma'am Lawrence, si Ma'am Matutina. And it was fun kasi all throughout the seminar, mas maganda kasi talaga na meron kang kakilala, diba, sa isang place. Eh, before the seminar kasi, ini-expect ko na wala talaga akong kakilala. Oh my gosh, iniisip. Yun nga, nag-lunch kami. And then, eto na guys, kwento ko na yung about dito sa t-shirt. So, meron kasing 3 games dun sa Christmas party. So, nag-start actually during the lunch game. Ito yung napanalunan ko, guys. Pakita ko lang. So, it's this one. Ito from British Council, affiliated Julia City. It's about researching English bilingual education. So, ito yung pinakaunang second game naman, guys. Magpo-form kayo ng circle. Tapos, ito yung napanalunan ko nun eh. It's this one. Just a little book na meron nakalagay. Ito na yun, di mo nalagay. Na never ko pa itong ginagamit kasi this is a souvenir. So, ito yung pangalawang napanalunan ko. In exchange, yung dinala ko kasi is a throw pillow na may sequence siya. Like this. Pero sa throw pillow na yun, merong nakalagay na, merong picture ng mermaid. So, ayun. So, valid nakadalawa na agad ang siya ng story. It's a Christmas story about Santa Claus, about reindeers, ganyan. Medyo hindi na ako nakapag-focus kasi talaga dun sa yung parang message ng story. Kasi yung focus on, may eyes on the prize kasi ito. And then, 3 times ko itong nahawakan. So, bali yung gagawin dun sa game, whenever the speaker mention the word right or left, so, parang ipa-follow mo yung instruction. Right, it means ipapasa mo yung object na hawak mo to the person right beside you. And kapag na-mention naman yung word na left, of course, you will pass it to the person on your left.
I feel right, responded Pluto. I noticed me out. Left. To the left. Hey, you're right.
Throughout that game, parang roller coaster ride kasi every time na nahahawakan yung mga t-shirt, ganyan, actually madaming prices doon na hindi lang t-shirt. Meron ding notebook, merong CD. So, lahat kami tumingin sa kanya and then we've asked what's next. So, what's the next sentence? So, sabi niya, the end. So, kasi no exaggeration. But I was like jumping for joy dahil nakuha ko tong prize na to. So, ayun nga. Pero nakita ko naman with the other participants, parang happy naman sila para sa akin kasi parang gustong-gusto ko shirt na to. That is why I wore this. Kasi today is kind of a historic day in the YouTube world, ha. Kasi yun yung nakalagay dun sa sa invitation.
Strawberry kiss, there's nothing less sweet than take the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, boy. You're the top of my
Water muna ako ng plants, tapos late na rin magbe-breakfast ako and I'll be cooking food. Okay, so magbe-breakfast muna pala ako. Mamaya na yung pagdilig ng plants. So today kasi is Saturday, so ano na, kuha lang ako ng konti dito. Actually, ginawa ito ng Ate Melrose ko. Yan. There. Tapos for my drink, ito lang. Del Monte. For the immune system. Balik lang natin to sa ref. So, papapasukin ko na lang muna si Hunter para mabigyan ko din siya ng konting grahams. Kasi nagugutom na yung kanya. Find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. So, magluluto lang ako ngayon ng chicken adobo. So, habang pinapalambot ko yung chicken, magdidilig na ako dun sa labas. So, yun guys, lunchtime na. After nito, ayun, magpiprint out na ako ng lyrics. With yung Betty, August, and Exile. Yung Exile talaga yung favorite. So, madami kaming aloe vera. Actually, yung ate ko yung nagtatanim ng mga to. Guys, yung, if you remember, di ba nag-mukbang challenge ako, yung Jollibee. So, yan, ginawa namin, lalagayan ng halaman. Tapos, eto, onions. Ito naman, ginger. Nitri na binili ko. Nung nabili ko to, it's 150 lang. Pero ngayon, sobrang laki na niya, guys. Would you look at that? So, dati yung size lang nito is like this. Parang ganito lang yung aloe vera. Pero lumaki na siya ng tao. May banter. Bali, ito yung nabili ko. One ganitong rose na to, ganitong kalaki is 80 pesos. So, yan. And ito naman, maliit lang siya, diba? Pero 50 pesos na yan. But, I don't have much choice naman kasi, diba parang ang hirap din kasing maghanap kung saan makakabili ng plants. Ganyan. Pero this one is, maganda yung color nito. This one is in pink, tapos ito naman is delivery from my friend. So, galing pa itong Taytay. And ito kasi is a picture frame pang Spotify. So, mamaya itatry natin kung paano ba mag-work yon. But for now, bubuksan muna natin. So in fairness, naka-bubble wrap talaga. Oh my gosh, ang cute! Ang cute niya. Ayun, so eto siya guys. Maganda. Yan, actually, yun yung profile picture ko. Yan. So, ita-try natin guys. Wait ha. Ita-try natin kasi yung napansin nyo, merong code, diba? Like this. So, yung gagawin kasi dyan, ita-try ko siya Spotify. Wait ha, Spotify.
Spotify.
Ayun. Tapos, meron kasing parang new na feature yung Spotify. Punta lang sa search. And then, click lang atong search. Tapos, merong makikitang parang what you call this? Camera icon. Tapos, isa-scan natin siya. So, ang bilis. Ang bilis lang. Wait, ulitin natin. Hindi ako naka-premium sa Spotify. So, check out natin. Try na natin i-shop. Oh no. It is working, guys. Hindi ko na papatapusin yung music kasi baka makopyright pa tong video na to. But it is working. Thank you so much, Let Love. Maganda yung nag-i-invest ako sa things, ganyan, is mga pictures. So, mamaya, magpiprint din ako ng mga napakadaming pictures. So, i-check muna natin sa to-do list natin kung may na-accomplish na ba tayo. Check ko. July 25. So, ito na yung mga na-accomplish natin, guys. Konti pa lang. Watering the plants, cook food. Yun pa lang, actually. So, mamaya, later on, siguro mga around 3 p.m., I'll be making lesson exemplar. So, part yun sa full-time work ko, full-time job ko. And then, eto, mag-print out na tayo ng lyrics for Taylor Swift songs, piano chords. Ayun guys, so yung gagawin pala natin next is to print out lyrics. But first, pakita ko muna how I play the piano. This is... Etong song na to guys is so... napaganda ng song na to. It's called Someone You Love. Pero syempre hindi ko naman ipi-play yung all throughout the song kasi makaka-copyright tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, etong chords na to, I think, pinag-aralan ko siya for, I think, etong chords na to guys, natagalan ako bago ko mag-gets yung rhythm, tapos, ano yung timing ng song. So, it goes something like this. Sorry, ulit. Search lang ako ng lyrics. Transfer ko lang siya sa Word. Usually, kapag nagka-copy-paste ako ng lyrics, yung A to Z lyrics.com yung website na pinupuntahan ko. Asan na ba yun? A to Z, yun. I know. A to Z. Pero kailangan kasi Taylor Swift. Kompleto yung words. Ayan. So, ito yung ito yung website na lagi kong pinupuntahan, A2ZLyrics.com. Ayun. So, yung gagawin ko dito, maglalagay lang ko ng spacing para malagay ko yung chords kung ano mang meron. There. So, eto, meron tayong Betty. Yung next na lang natin is Exile and August. Ayun na guys. So, nandito na lahat ng songs. Ipiprint na lang natin siya. Ayun, so nakapag-print na tayo and I am so excited. Maliit lang talaga yung font size kasi susulatan ko yan mamaya. At para one song, isang cotton bud lang. Kasi mahirap kasi kapag ano yung dala-dalawang pages. Ayun guys, so malapit nang malobat yung camera ko. So I need to charge this. While charging, gagawa muna ako ng lesson exemplar namin. So I will be back in just a minute. Style. So hindi ko pa ma-figure out masyado kung paano ba yung rhythm niya. Pero ayun, yung intro, may pre-chorus and chorus siya. So ayun, try ko guys na i-play. Pero try lang to Sana makinito ko. Try ko lang. So yung intro, I can see. Bale. For intro, verse. Okay, try natin with singing. Ulit. F. Medyo nahihirapan ako sa second line. Okay, tapos mag-change siya sa pre-chorus. I think pre-chorus yung ano na to. So, meron tayong B. Guys, so figure out ko kung paano siya kantahin all throughout hanggang sa outro niya. As in, super ganda ng, I don't know, yung parang yung last niya yung so separate up, no, now I'm crying, I can't do all this time. Ang ganda ng part na to guys, yung merong didn't even hear me out. Yung parang sagutan lang from Bon Iver, tapos Taylor Swift. So, you didn't even hear me out. You didn't even hear me out. You never gave me one inside. I get so many times. Parang, oh, so heartfelt. So, yun parang yung naaaral ko, Exile. Pero later on, yung Betty naman in August. Ang ganda talaga ng August, guys. Yung parang, pagpapakinggan mo, parang it smells like grass. It smells like spring. 4:15 na kasi. Next naman na gagawin ko, magpiprint out ako ng pictures na ilalagay ko dun sa grid. So, papakita ko sa inyo. One sheet lang muna. Tapos, so, sabi ko guys, na grid. So, tatanggalin ko mamaya yung happy birthday. And then, i-clip ko dito yung mga pictures. Yan. Kasi ngayon nakabili na ako ng glossy photo paper. Mura lang to, 50 pesos lang, 20 sheets na agad. So, ayun. Set aside muna natin at pipili na tayo ng mga pictures. Watering the plants, check. Cooking food, lesson exemplar. Well, actually, hindi pa siya natatapos. So, tonight, tatapusin ko siya. Print out of lyrics, nagawa natin. Piano chords. For Exile, medyo nagagets ko na yung intro tsaka yung verse. Pero the rest, kailangan ko pang aralin. Greed, Polaroid. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Yung picture na deliver sa atin. And yung pinaka-last na gagawin ko today, guys, is mag-e-edit ng video na to. Parang yung gagawin kasi ng YouTube is i-compile niya lahat ng a day in my life, ganyan. Tapos, into one video. So, sana, please, sana ma-feature yung video na to. So, that is it, guys. Yung pinaka-last pa na gagawin ko is manunod ako ng Kissing Booth sa Netflix. So, premiere na kasi siya. Showing na siya sa Netflix. So that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed this A Day in My Life video that I made. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!